if you have any doubt. So the classification, this category is called switch linear system. Is the terminology is now clear to you? Switch linear, that means this config 1, that is an LTI circuit, config 2, that is another LTI circuit. Depending upon the switch positions, the system, it like switches back and forth between config 1 and config 2. Individually they are LTI, but as a whole if you see the circuit, it is a nonlinear circuit because it has a switch, it has a diode. But individually, that is at switch on and switch off position, you see that is LTI. And since that is, it changes the configuration, that is either it is config 1 or config 2, it is continuously switching, or even the structure itself is getting changed. That is the reason why we call it as variable structure system, VSS. That means so far whatever we have studied, x dot equals to ax plus bu, or even x dot equals to f of x, the system never changes, right? Whatever may be the input condition, the system never changes. So that's why they all are called fixed structure systems. Are you getting? That is when you write x dot equals to ax plus bu, y equals to cx. This is for LTI. If it is non-linear, suppose x dot equals to f of x and y equals to h of x, that is the nonlinear representation. It doesn't change subjected to the input condition. The structure or the system always remain the same. So that's why they are called fixed structure system. In contrast to the fixed structure system, this kind of system where the system configuration changes subjected to the input or any other thing, that is called VSS, variable structure system. Here the system configuration changes subjected to the input. Input means not this is the battery voltage, subjected to the control input, because when this is a switch, the switch means either a MOSFET or a IGBT that needs a gate pulse, that is actually the control input. So if the gate pulse is 1, it will give you config 1, if the gate pulse is 0, it will give you config 2. But there is no other option, it will be switching between config 1 and 2. And it depends on the input condition. So that's why it is a VSS. Is it now clear to all of you? अभी clear हुआ? Yeah, अभी भी कुछ doubt है? हाँ, guys.
Sir, like, how do we tell that? Like, how do we conclude that particular system is a non-linear system? Firstly.